StubHub operates with a comprehensive fee structure that affects both buyers and sellers. Understanding these fees is crucial for anyone using the platform in 2025. StubHub's fee structure consists of three main categories. Service fees range from 10 to 15% of the ticket face value and are paid by buyers. Seller fees are also 10 to 15%, but are deducted from the seller's earnings. Payment processing fees add an additional 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Here's a real example from StubHub's mobile app. Two tickets priced at $242.33 each create a subtotal of $484.66. After adding a service fee of $48.46, the final total becomes $436.20. This represents approximately a 10% service fee on the ticket value. Sales tax adds another layer to StubHub costs and varies significantly by location. Tax rates range from 0% in some states to over 10% in others. StubHub automatically calculates these taxes based on your delivery address or the event location, and the tax is added at checkout. StubHub has made significant improvements to fee transparency in 2025. Previously, buyers often encountered hidden fees only at checkout, leading to surprise costs. Now, StubHub offers all-in pricing displays in select markets and enhanced fee transparency throughout the purchase process, making it easier for customers to understand total costs upfront. Understanding StubHub's fee structure helps you make informed decisions when buying or selling tickets. Remember that total costs include service fees, processing fees, and location-based taxes. But the platform's 2025 transparency improvements make these costs clearer than ever before. Understanding the total cost on StubHub requires knowing exactly how fees are calculated. The formula includes several components that can significantly impact your final price. Let's walk through a real example to see how these costs add up. We'll start with a $100 concert ticket and calculate the total step by step. Starting with our base ticket price of $100, we first add the service fee. StubHub typically charges between 10 and 15%, so we'll use 12%, which adds $12. Next comes the delivery fee, which varies based on your chosen delivery method. Standard delivery typically costs $9.95. Sales tax is calculated based on your location and the event venue. At 8%, this adds $9.76 to our total. When we add everything together, our $100 ticket actually costs $131.71. That's a 31% markup from the face value. Now that we understand the cost structure, let's explore proven strategies to minimize these fees and save money on your StubHub purchases. For buyers, timing is crucial. Purchase tickets 2 to 3 days before the event, when prices often drop as sellers become more motivated to sell. Avoid same-day purchases at all costs. These typically carry premium fees and higher prices due to urgency. Choose standard delivery options instead of expedited shipping to save on delivery fees, and use your preferred payment methods to avoid additional processing charges. Here's what a real StubHub purchase looks like, showing how fees are calculated in the checkout process. For sellers, there are also specific strategies to maximize profits and minimize fees. Sellers should list their tickets early to avoid rush fees and have more time to find buyers at their desired price point. Use StubHub's pricing tools and market data to price your tickets competitively, which helps them sell faster and reduces holding costs. Finally, frequent sellers should understand the tax implications of their sales, as this can impact overall profitability. This chart shows how ticket prices change over time, demonstrating why timing your purchase or sale is so important for getting the best deal. Remember, understanding StubHub's fee structure and using smart timing strategies can save you significant money. Whether buying or selling, planning ahead and making informed decisions will help you get the best value from the platform.